Deep in the murky waters of the Amazon, a creature of extraordinary power lurks. The electric eel, with its sleek serpentine body, is capable of unleashing electrical jolts that can stun prey and deter predators. Capable of unleashing up to 860 volts, enough to stun a horse, have long fascinated scientists. But what if I told you that these electrical powers might hold the key to unlocking a hidden world of genetic exchange? Scientists are beginning to unravel a fascinating possibility. Electric eels might be nature's genetic engineers, facilitating the transfer of genetic material between different organisms in their environment. A cell is surrounded by a cell membrane, the protective barrier that encases the building blocks of life. This membrane is usually impermeable to DNA, preventing genetic material from freely entering and exiting the cell. However, under certain conditions, tiny pores can be temporarily created in this membrane. This phenomenon, known as electroporation, is typically induced in laboratory settings using controlled electrical pulses. Could the electric eel, with its powerful discharges, be causing electroporation in its natural environment? Could these electrical bursts be creating temporary pathways for DNA fragments present in the surrounding water to enter the cells of other organisms? To investigate this intriguing possibility, scientists designed an experiment using zebrafish. These small, translucent fish are ideal for studying genetic changes due to their rapid development. Zebrafish embryos were placed in tanks alongside electric eels. The eels, provoked to discharge their electrical arsenal, released a series of powerful jolts into the water. The results were astounding. Analysis of the zebrafish embryos revealed the presence of DNA fragments from other organisms, suggesting that the electric shocks had indeed facilitated the transfer of genetic material. To understand the significance of this discovery, we need to distinguish between two fundamental modes of genetic inheritance: vertical and horizontal gene transfer. Vertical gene transfer is the traditional method of inheritance where genetic material is passed down from parents to offspring. This is how we inherit our eye color, height, and other traits from our parents. Horizontal gene transfer, on the other hand, is the transfer of genetic material between organisms that are not directly related. This process is more common in bacteria, where it plays a crucial role in the spread of antibiotic resistance. The electric eel, if it does indeed facilitate horizontal gene transfer, could be a crucial player in this less understood form of genetic exchange amongst more complex life forms. The implications of this discovery are far-reaching. If electric eels can facilitate horizontal gene transfer, it suggests that this phenomenon might be more widespread in nature than previously thought. Could other organisms, perhaps those possessing unique bioelectrical properties, also be capable of mediating genetic exchange in their environments? This finding opens up exciting new avenues for research in evolutionary biology. It challenges our traditional understanding of how genetic information is shared and could shed light on the mechanisms driving adaptation and diversity in the natural world. The electric eel, once viewed solely as a master of electrical warfare, might also be a silent orchestrator of genetic change, shaping the very fabric of life in its watery domain. So the next time you see an electric eel, remember, it's not just a living battery. It's a reminder of how much we've yet to learn about life's interconnectedness. Stay curious. The natural world is full of shocks and secrets waiting to be discovered.